Well, they work. I'll try them on my kitchen floor where I've got these bits of tape marking out every metre. So just short of the 4 metre mark. I'll put him over there. Hmm, 3 metres. I expect if I played with them a bit, we might be able to get them up to the full 4 metres. They had a little bit left there. But we can safely say they do work. Now I'm going to take them apart and see if we can make a 4x4 or at least join 2 of the pullback motors together in one chassis. Well, it'll be fun to see if we can make a 4-wheel drive pullback car now. What I plan to do is see if we can just take the motor out of this one and squeeze it into the front of this one. Because that would look neat, wouldn't it? I don't know if we've got space for it, but we'll find out. Let's get this one apart. So that's our basic chassis. Fit. Gluing it would be easier than trying to cut that to fit. That's the 2 pullback motors in place. I'm using hot glue to hold things in place. I'll see if I can get most of the bodywork back on. There we are. All up together, our 4x4 pullback toy car. Managed to get nearly all the bodywork back in place. I had to cut a few little bits out, like at the front there. I had to cut that bit out because that's where the second pullback motor is now. So, we better give it a try, haven't we? Well, it's working, but I'm having trouble getting it go straight. There's a bit of flex in the foam body. Right, let's see how we go. Suddenly decided to go right, didn't it? I think we're stuck with that because I've been playing with this for a while now, trying to straighten it up. it was going left, so I adjusted it, and now it looks like I've over adjusted it and it's going right. Oh, that was straight. Okay, well, with the single motor in it, we weren't quite getting to the 4 metre mark, whereas now I would say we've just done 5 metres. So 2 motors, and we've got a 25% increase in distance. Just see if we can do that a second time. Not quite as far that time, but about the same. So it looks like we're getting 5 metres out of it now. So there we go. A 4-wheel drive or 2 motor pullback toy car.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.